Oh, I didn't even see y'all standing right there. Alright. What's up guys? Tomorrow here with another video. In today's video we're gonna do what they call a unboxing. Second unboxing video coming right up. So stay tuned. Alright, like I said, we have a unboxing video and we're about to get right into that unboxing video. So let me make sure my knife is working. Let me make sure I probably need to consider getting a new one. But at the moment, this is what I got and this is what I'm going to be using. So yeah, but 1 second. Alright, welcome back guys. Sorry about that. Alright, where were we? I don't remember, but anyway, let's get into this unboxing. First, before you actually see what's inside, I don't know if you guys already see what's inside. I'm trying to hide stuff. Gonna tell you see. Well, the story behind all of this now, this new thing that I have here is because I only have one camera. I decided I had to get another camera to actually lift the weight from this one camera. That's what I actually have inside this box. That camera would not have to work so hard, and I actually have a setup because I'm actually trying to have my YouTube set up. I decided to go ahead and get an extra camera. So with all that said and done, first inside this box is, technically it was supposed to just be the body, but you know Amazon like to add like extra stuff to get your money. Come up with this really cool little bundle stuff. What we have right here is like a digital flash. Guess we're gonna need that one day. I have what they call a bag, a camera bag. No, I have like 4 of them. Probably ain't gonna need this because I actually had the one that put on my back, really big one. I have a tripod, 15-inch tripod. You guys can see that? 15-inch tripod. Pretty cool. I like that. Considering I only got 2, one is broken, so I actually have one. Right here, we got a remote controller with some extra goodies inside. I don't know if you guys want to see what's inside. We have a card reader. Definitely. I mean, I have a bunch of those. It's like, man, basically everything you buy nowadays, they have it. Oh yeah, this definitely won't come in handy because, you know, my new camera is mostly gonna be for vlogging when I'm riding my skateboard. This, I don't really know what that is. This is the controller, and oh yeah, definitely gonna come in handy. I was thinking about actually go ahead and buy one of these, but no, I don't. This bundle right here is pretty amazing. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, guys. Y'all should definitely check this out because they give you a lot of goodies, man. Definitely. We have a Pro HD series Commander, 50mm telephoto lens. Yeah, definitely gonna use that. And we got another one. This is a 58. Yeah, this is a 58 wide angle lens. Definitely gonna need that, guys. Then we have like a very bright color paper, and it said, "Thank you so much for your purchase. Our team is committed to your 100% satisfaction, and we want to know if we met all your goals." Yes, thank you guys. I'm so happy right now. But anyway, let's keep, I ain't really gonna read all of this. They said thank you and they said a lot of stuff, and they said thanks for your business and more important for taking the time to share your experience with our company. I did not do that, so I don't know what they're talking about. Actually they want you to please shop again. Of course you want me to shop again. Oh, there was something else in there. There's some filters. That's a filter kit. And oh man. The man of the show. Ooh. The man of the show. And it does say body only. But then they give me all this extra goody goodies. Look at that. You got the first, you got the camera. Right? Put the camera right there. Bam! 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 Oh man. Just stop already. There's so much stuff in this package. Oh man. Oh man. Can't get enough. Look at that, guys. Amazing. Amazon, thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart to the very soul of my... Yeah. I don't know. I don't really get why people say thank you from the bottom of my heart to the very soul of my feet. My feet doesn't have a soul. But scratch that. But anyway, I'm gonna put this to the side and we're gonna look and see what we got here. This is the SL2. Alright, I'm actually gonna probably get another one because I like the white one. But unfortunately, the white one was not available, so I had to go with the black one. And right here we have a manual. Maybe sometime in the future I definitely gonna want to use this, but right now I don't think I want to use it. See, I like Canon stuff because they're pretty amazing. They're pretty decent. They're easy to use. Everything like that. You don't necessarily have to be a genius to figure out how to use these. You know, but I mean, if you need to be a genius, then you could go ahead and be a genius. And it don't make no difference. This charger gonna come in handy. I mean, I got one for my T7i. So, and I got another strap right here. But this is gonna be my vlogging camera. There's a battery. And oh man. The pleasure is all mine. Ooh, it's so small though. I like it though. I love it. I love it. I love it, guys. So small. It's so beautiful. Look at that grip right there. It's so small, man. Oh. But I like it. I love it. It's light. It's very light. And I got my lens. I got a lens right here. I'm gonna put my lens on and I'm gonna go do my thing. I love it, guys. You guys know what a camera is, and you already know it's a SL2, so it's for my vlogging camera. It's gonna be my vlogging camera because, you know, with my skateboard, my T7i is a little bit too. I mean, it's not that much bigger than this. I mean, later I'll be coming back with like a comparison or something like that. But right now, that's gonna be for a later date. But pretty much everything is the same. I don't know. You guys know these cameras. Everything is the same. But I was saying that I love Canon because I just bought a printer, Canon printer, and it's amazing. Actually, I could print stuff straight from my camera. So that's pretty amazing. I like that. You know, everything is like connect to each other, so you don't necessarily need to, you know, go to where to do extra stuff. Everything is like right there. My phone, my tablet, my computer, everything is like right there. So Canon, they're doing pretty good stuff, amazing stuff, and I love this. I like it. It's light. It's beautiful. But I'm pretty sure y'all don't want to sit there and listen to me go on and on about my SL2. But anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. If you guys enjoy my video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you aren't already. Share with your friends and your family. And let me use another and I'll see you on the next one. See ya.